For thousands of years, humans have been masters of one thing, making tools. We went from using simple tools like stones, wood, and fire to help us get things done to a wider variety of tools like axes, the wheel, and the plow. At first, slowly, and then with astonishing speed, we went from language to writing to printing and eventually to a world full of big machines and factories, sparking the Industrial Revolution. One innovation led to 1,000 more. Then about 80 years ago, we invented a new kind of tool, the computer. At first, computers were big and clunky, but in a flash, they became the internet, laptops, iPads, smartphones, and every gadget in between. Now we have a new tool that can do something no other tool could. It can learn, mimic, and even do things on our behalf. It's the smartest tool we've ever made, artificial intelligence.